you have been living in the UK, you may have come across the quirky names used to refer to different street crossings. The first one is the zebra crossing, and it is rather understandable why it is called that. The road crossing resembles that of a zebra, with its distinctive black and white stripes found on the road. There are also black and white striped poles on each side of the crossing, topped with amber globes that flashes. These are called Belisha beacons, named after the Minister of Transport who introduced them. Pedestrians have the permanent right of way at zebra crossings. This means cars will have to stop. A similar design put into consideration in the UK is the tiger crossing, made for cyclists who want to cross the road. They are called tiger crossings because they used to be painted with yellow and black stripes. After the zebra crossing, it has been a custom in the UK to name subsequent crossings after animals. The other type of crossing is the pelican crossing, or the pedestrian light control crossing, shortened to the pseudo-acronym PELICAN by taking the first two letters of pedestrian, the first two letters of light, and the first three letters of control, and changing the O to an A to maintain the animal theme. To operate, push, wait, and walk. The puffin crossing, or the pedestrian, user-friendly, intelligent crossing, is similar in operation to the pelican crossing. The difference is that the waiting times can be varied. The infrared cameras located at the top of the traffic light senses the presence of crossing pedestrians and can vary the waiting time for drivers accordingly. This is beneficial for the elderly or the disabled who may take longer to cross the road. Also, it can cut the waiting times for drivers if the camera senses that pedestrians have already completed the crossing. Another category is the toucan crossing. They are so called because they allow two types to cross the road: cyclists and pedestrians. They operate in the same way as pelican and puffin crossings. And just to maintain the aviation theme, there is one more type of crossing. This is called a Pegasus crossing, named after the winged mythical horse. And as you can imagine, this type of crossing allows horses to cross the road. If you want to know more about Pegasus crossings, I highly recommend a good video by a YouTuber called Tom Scott. Have a look at his channel. If you like this content, like, share and subscribe.